It's not only business blackmail they do person. They do emotional blackmail too. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus. I'm your girl Bella. Imagine taking your children to your sister-in-law's house to stay 1 week for you to go and come back to see your children, their hair to gorimapa. You know kodo. You know that hairstyle that they call kodo. No hair on the children's head. Before you left these kids, their hair were neatly plaited for you to come back to hear stories that touch the bum that their hair has been barbed. This thing, somewhere in Anambra State. Okay, I don't need to say much about this video. Watch the video yourself and see, and we talk.
My sister-in-law's place to ask her why she barbed the children's hair. Just under 1 week. Under 1 week, she barbed their hair. So that's where we are going there. So please stay tuned. Thank you.
Why is it why for what now? Why would you want to come see for? Good evening. I'm travel, I know them. So my wife and my wife. Happy to go to my Korean Laku. Happy to go to my Korean Laku. How about that? I'm travel. My wife not on the phone. Same now, no, but I walk with a woman that goes Ojaya. Woman come on a baby. You keep on about that. No man come out with easy. Instead of there is why you one woman can miss. Why came at a woman can miss. Now, why is your own? Almost so much ago, I think it was easy. It's not what I have from Miss Lamela. No, I think it was why is no, get it to go back to in case you go my senior sister. Just 1 week. Just 1 week. Okay, why you go on my phone? You should mind my number. Why you not going to phone? Why you not going my phone? Why come we come in? Why you go you got no reason why you go my family. You got no reason. You have no reason you go my family. You have no reason why you go my family. I'm telling you, you have no reason. I bet let me see them. No, tell me do what you are doing. Why? Why? You have my number. This is my number. Why didn't you call me on phone that you want to buy my children's hair? Can you why you call me on phone? You want to sister, can I hear me here? I'm not happy with you. I am not happy with you. You must be happy. I am telling you the truth. No matter you are my senior sister, but I am not happy with you for doing this.
For 1 week, now leave these children for her. Make her go come back. You can't be saying she don't babble my children here.
Imagine that kind of a thing.
The children hate my children.
And so, even though they just did you give my number?
Bush. No, the money is Bianca. Bianca, no, now the
money. Now my senior sister, and she has my number. Even though that you want to buy my children have, why can't you call me on phone?
I'll call you on phone.
Yes, you are supposed to call me on phone.
Even though
Even though what I'm
children are my children. you dey support that thing.
If you see the air say too bush.
He no push anything. He no push. Okay.
Sister, okay,
Maybe like
now.
pikin head I dey play so.
You know children now, children fit see person
Play so.
Wetin
I dey
make
play the
you
children head
wetin
now.
make you know about the
How I
children?
no dey change over 2 years now.
children fit see people wey dey have money.
No, she must tell me the reason why you bab my children.
Mebe se bi
You will tell me the reason.
Mebe se bi
Because I think you, I think
So you've seen the video now. Hey God, you Akwai Mama Agenda. Do you know why the snake had to give the apple to the woman? Did not give the apple to the guy. It's in most families. In most families, it's different. It's the same family and different treatments. You can imagine this woman saying, "It's my children too." Madam, is your children too, but you did not. Your children's hair we are plated. First of all, some people are. That's why I said emotional blackmail is real. You can imagine saying your children, they are your children too, your children too, and you decided to treat these kids like this. Number one, Bugodina, and one hezbo relationship. Obionya Adiodosha towards the sister-in-law, because if anything, first of all, you have to confirm anything from their parents before barbing their hair. Even if they have ringworm or lice in their hair, you have to confirm from the parents of the child, because it's your sister or you are the brother, you are the sister to the brother. What's that one? Some family members don't know boundaries. Okay, some people don't know boundaries, but you need to set it for them to know. Boundaries need to be set, because do you know most people know what they are doing. Let me give you an instance. If I step on your feet now and you did not talk, I will still step on it. But if I step on your feet, you tell me you stepped on me and you need to say sorry, the person will say sorry and will not step on it again. A lot of things is going, and people leave some things to be swept under the rug. Why would you get yourself a nice house help or pay a caretaker to take care of your kids? Some family members are worse than the devil. You can imagine palaver. This is pure palaver, and some people would start telling you should forget it. Don't worry for men. Don't worry for men now. I want to be your male. To be at peace with your sister. You want to. Wow, it's so fine. That is what some women are facing in their marriages. Pure, exactly what people are facing in their homes. Peace wearing, or you'll be stepping on the person, you'll be buying the person softly and be saying, let peace reign. Some people are saying, it should not create an emotional rift between you and your siblings. Your siblings don't know boundaries. That if your siblings don't respect your wife, if they don't respect your kids, do you think they respect you when you are gone? If people should have some sort of decency. Look at the woman. Let's continue the conversation on the comment section. I'm your girl, Bella. Palava. They finish you.